Yeah, Pete, and I am going to walk through installing a new graphics card. If you're switching from a different brand name, like from NVIDIA to AMD or AMD to NVIDIA, you're going to want to uninstall your graphics drivers before you unplug and shut down your computer. So if you haven't done that already, go ahead and do that. Unscrew the thumb screws to take off the side panel. Once you have your side panel off, now is a good opportunity to go ahead and clean up the inside of your case of any dust in or anything that's in there. Put on an anti-static strap. If you don't have an anti-static strap, as you can see I don't, I would avoid wearing any wool. Put one of your hands on the case before you touch anything inside the computer. Now I'm going to unplug these power cables. It's the first thing I do. 1, 2. You can see there's screws here. What you want to do is you see this lever here. First, make sure you ground yourself on the case. Just go ahead and push that kind of and pull up a little bit. Find a couple spots to pull on and just lift straight up. That's all. Just didn't take much force at all. I'm installing the GTX 1660 Super, but I was only going to get the 1660. But anyways, make sure if you have a new card, you take off these little protective thingies. Those kind of, sometimes they make it hard to get in there. Okay, we're going to lower the graphics card in. All you do is just grab it, lower it in so that it goes right into the slot. Straight in, and then push on the silicone. Don't push on the heat shroud. Next, all you have to do is install your power connector. You can just look at this, whatever side the clippy is on, it's on this back side. That's the side the clippy goes. Sometimes these 6+2 connectors are a pain to line up. I've been struggling with this one. Just grab it and that's pretty much it. Here's a little pro tip for you. Every time you get one of these twisty ties, save them because they come in handy. Like, I don't like these wires just dangling all over the place. I like to keep everything tightly packed together. So I save all the twisty ties I get, okay? And then you could just, well, I need a longer one here. Just grab a twisty tie. Wrap it around. Boom. Set your side panel back on. Make sure you stuff your wires in the proper place. Okay, good. Slide that forward. Insert your thumb screws. Then you just plug everything in and power it on. I hope this helped you. Please leave any comments or questions below in the comments section. Also, please critique me in the comments section. I want to know what you think about the video and what I could improve so I could make better videos. If you want music, if you don't like the music, things like that. If I helped you, please help me by subscribing. And it would help me make a lot more videos if you could do that. Thank you.